For my hero, I chose my dad. And for my visual aid, I made a diorama of our cabin.
More like diarrhea.
Quiet, everyone. Be respectful. Angela, let's save questions until the end of Jane's presentation.
Yeah, sorry. I'm just, like, confused. I thought this was a presentation about a historical hero.
My dad was in the newspaper.
Your local paper? I just don't think that's what Mrs. Gracie meant by historical. This is supposed to be about famous people?
My dad is famous. He saved lots of lives in a mall fire. He was a hero for people. And he was my hero, too.